In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Butler for Trello. Butler is Trello's powerful automation tool that allows you to streamline your workflow by automating certain actions on your boards. If you're new to the idea of automation on Trello, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start saving time and improving productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to your Trello board. Once you're there, look towards the top of your screen and click on the button labeled Automation. This is the gateway to setting up all sorts of automated commands that can help you manage your boards more efficiently. After clicking on Automation, the next step is to click on Rules. Rules in Trello are simple if this then that statements that allow you to set parameters for certain actions to take place automatically. As you can imagine, they're incredibly useful for recurring tasks or workflows that require repetitive actions. Now that you're in the Rules section, click on Create Automation. This will open a setup window where you can start building your customized rule. Automation rules consist of triggers, which prompt the rule, and actions which occur when the rule is triggered. The first thing we'll do is add a trigger. Click on plus add trigger, which will present a variety of triggers you can choose from. For our example today, click on dates, which pertains to the due dates of your cards. Now, we'll specify the trigger more precisely. You're going to set the specific condition of when this rule triggers. For this tutorial, let's use the trigger when due date is marked as complete. Set it so that this action can be performed by anyone, meaning that the rule will activate regardless of which team member marks the task as complete. Next, you'll want to determine what's going to happen when this condition is met. To do that, click on the plus button. This allows you to start defining the action that follows the completed trigger. In our demonstration, we'll select the move action. This means that once the due date is marked as complete, Butler will automatically move the card to a specified list. When you choose Move the Card to, you need to select which list on your board you want cards to be moved to. Simply type in the name of the list where you'd like these cards to go. This could be a list named Completed, Done, or any other list that fits your workflow. Now that you've set both your trigger and action, there's just one more thing to do to finalize your automation. Go ahead and click on the plus button once more, and then select Save to store your new rule. And that's it! You've successfully set up an automation using Butler on Trello. Now, whenever a due date is marked as complete by anyone on your team, the card will automatically move to your chosen list. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this new automation both time-saving and helpful for managing your projects on Trello.